Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Multivan style 2.0 TDI 150 PS, and it currently has around 13,000 miles on the clock with 2 previous owners. And it comes painted in the stunning starlight blue metallic finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, but offering a very stylish look to the van. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful dimming mirrors do fold them unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice a really fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting in the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, you can see we do have the electric tailgate, which will come in handy when you've got your hands full. Following on, the electrical sliding doors will reveal a lovely and well-maintained interior. As you can see, with ISO fixed points, cup holders and foldable tables at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And in the centre, we have the adjustable table that will benefit your passengers, allowing them to feel at home as you have cup holders and a table and other functionalities. And you also have 3 extra seats at the back with the ISO fixed points, and you have plenty of legroom there, so no need to worry for your passengers at the back, especially on those long journeys. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does one nice to the grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there ensuring that I was in the correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we do have plenty of storage space. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing you to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route, and we can also show the smart cluster, making it easy and safe for us to use while having an island view of the road ahead. And over to our climate controls, we have many different options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy, including your front heated seats with 3 different levels of heat to choose from, offering that cozy drive. Now here we have our ambient lighting with many different colour combinations and presets to choose from, and this looks absolutely magical at night as you can get a full effect of this feature. With this stunning van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and cameras ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.